Is your dog still peeing in the house? In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to stop that and make it so your dog never pees in the house again. I'm a professional dog trainer, and in this video, I am going to show you my exact method to get your dog to stop peeing in the house once and for all. If your dog is an adult dog and they're still peeing in the house, it's because one of two reasons. Either they haven't been taught appropriately, or they've been taught incorrectly, and they've been getting away with it for so long that they now think it is okay to pee wherever they want. And the only way to fix this is to first clean up the urine. You can't punish your dog for something they did 10 minutes ago, an hour ago, or even worse, a day ago. So you need to clean it up thoroughly, so there's no trace of the urine left behind. Otherwise, your dog is going to keep going in the same spot. Now, if you have company coming over or you just don't want to wait until it stops smelling, you can use an enzymatic cleaner to get rid of the smell of the urine. Now, once you've cleaned up the area where they were peeing, the next thing you need to do is take them out. Take them out first thing in the morning, first thing after they wake up from a nap, and first thing after they eat and drink. Take them out every single time. And when they go outside, praise them and give them a treat. This is going to create a positive association with going outside and not in the house. The next thing you need to do is make going outside more enticing than going inside. Dogs are creatures of habit. They like to do things the same way every single time. So if you can create a habit of going outside, then your dog will want to go outside. When you take them out, play with them for a few minutes. Then go back inside. Don't just stand there and watch them. Play with them and make it fun. Make it more fun than going inside. Once they start to associate going outside with fun and not with stress, then they'll be much more likely to want to go outside. Now, if you have a puppy, this is even more important. If you have a puppy, they need to go out first thing in the morning, first thing after a nap, and first thing after they eat and drink. This is crucial. Don't let them hold it too long. Otherwise, they're going to have an accident inside. If you'd like to see more videos on housebreaking, click the link in the description below. And if you'd like to see a video on how to stop your dog from barking, also in the description below. And lastly, if you're still having issues with your dog, go ahead and comment below, and I'll try to help you out.